Hi everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn about food nutrients and deficiency diseases. First, let's talk about food nutrients. Nutrients are the useful parts of the food we eat. They are what our body uses to grow, stay healthy, and have energy. There are 5 main ones you need to remember. Carbohydrates give us energy to do our daily activities. You find them in foods like rice, bread, and yams. Proteins are the body's building blocks. They help us grow strong muscles and repair tissues. We get proteins from fish, beans, and eggs. Fats also give energy, but they work more like storage. They protect our bodies and keep us warm. You get fats from oils, nuts, and avocado. Vitamins are special helpers that keep different parts of the body healthy. For example, fruits and vegetables give us vitamins. And finally, minerals like iron and calcium also keep the body strong. Now, what happens when the body does not get enough of these nutrients? That's where deficiency diseases come in. A deficiency disease is a sickness that develops because the body is missing a particular nutrient. In other words, when you don't eat enough of the right foods, your body cannot work properly. The good news is that these diseases can be prevented if we eat a balanced diet. Let's look at some examples. Kwashiorkor happens when children don't get enough protein. You may have seen pictures of children with swollen bellies but very thin arms and legs. Their hair becomes thin and their skin changes color. This is a very serious disease, but it can be prevented if children eat protein foods like fish, beans, and eggs every day. Another one is night blindness. This comes from not having enough vitamin A. A person with night blindness cannot see properly in the dark. If it gets worse, it can even lead to total blindness. Foods like carrots, mangoes, and green leafy vegetables help prevent this. Next is rickets, which is caused by a lack of vitamin D. Children with rickets often have weak, bent legs or bones that break easily. Sometimes their teeth come in late, and they may be shorter than normal for their age. To prevent rickets, children eat sunlight, fish, and milk because those give vitamin D. We also have scurvy, caused by not eating enough vitamin C. Signs include bleeding gums, weakness, and wounds that don't heal quickly. Fruits like oranges, pawpaw, and limes protect us from scurvy. So what is the best way to prevent deficiency diseases? The answer is simple. Eat a variety of foods every day. Don't just eat one type of food. Mix in proteins, carbohydrates, fats, fruits, and vegetables. Remember, prevention is always better than treatment. And that brings us to the end of this lesson on food nutrients and deficiency diseases. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another lesson.